Again, I doubt someone who isn't a professional would ever notice. And I bet even some professionals wouldn't notice. Don't be too hard on yourself. You've had a lot on the go recently, especially with work. Okay, almost done. Guys, we got the bedroom finished this weekend. Ugh, that was the last big painting job we had to do. It feels so good to be so close. Eric, exactly what Consul said. It's going to be fine. I bet it is absolutely beautiful. No matter what you think of the corner. We're always our own hardest critic, Eric. Don't forget that. No! Eric, not everything is perfect. Don't forget, okay? Don't beat yourself up. It's a $10 raffle, exactly. Listen, please, please, please don't beat yourself up. I know what you're like, and I know how much of a perfectionist you are, but it's gorgeous. They are going to absolutely love the wallet. I mean that. You got this, my dude. I'm also nitpicky. Exactly, Wyatt. A lot of us are when you get into leathercraft. You'll notice more and more how much of a perfectionist and how nitpicky you can really get. Also, welcome, Wyatt. Hopefully I can help teach you a little here on your adventures watching the channel. Oh my god, guys, I have to show you something. Okay, let's see if it's there or if it will show.